Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Lexi Rigdon. Here's a question about your liability during a storm like Hurricane Sandy. What happens if your tree crashes into your neighbor's house? Who's liable? Well, of course it's not a simple yes or no. It really depends on the overall health of the tree. If your tree were a healthy tree and it just so happened to be lifted out of the ground and tossed like a toothpick because of a hurricane's sheer power, that would be considered an act of God in court, and you could blame the hurricane and the court would too, because essentially you weren't negligent. However, if your tree were an unhealthy tree, improperly maintained, regardless of the sheer power of a hurricane, you still may be liable for that unhealthy tree hitting your neighbor's house. Now, if your neighbor does decide to submit the claim to homeowner's insurance and the company has a reason to believe that your unhealthy tree was a factor in the accident, they may go after you for money, which is a process called subrogation, which is too much legalese for today. As always, I have to remind you, if you ever need an attorney, even if it's something that I have talked about here, please seek the advice of an attorney, because unfortunately, I am not your attorney.